There we have it. One Milwaukee Sawzall. Milwaukee Sawzall demolition blades, the torch versus water heater. Sawzall and Milwaukee blades win the battle. If you ever wondered what the inside of a water heater looks like, this would be it right here. $130 gallon water heater. Lost the battle with the Milwaukee Sawzall and the Milwaukee blades. It's one tough blade. Cut through that hard steel. It took me about 20 minutes to slice that heater in half. Thanks for watching PA Timber Gifts. Thanks for coming along on the demo challenge today with my Milwaukee Sawzall. Always wanted to do that. That was cool. I really liked that. That was a lot of fun. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for all the new subscribers. As always, we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Gifts. Awesome. Yeah.